This place is featured in Bloomington, Minnesota, and this is the largest mall in the United States. So come along with me as I share clips of this mall. It is so much you can do besides the attractions of the rides that they have. They have it as the Nickelodeon universe rides and roller coasters and things of that nature for the kids and young adults. But they also have an aquarium. They also have miniature golf, whether you like it on a mountain or in the dark or glow in the dark. They have a chapel. They used to have a chapel. It actually closed recently, where people actually got married in the mall. And if you want to watch a movie, it's in the mall. Bowling in the mall. High-tech arcade games are in the mall. Get a massage in the mall. Go shopping. They have over 520 shops of different types of clothes and different types of places. They have over 50 restaurants, whether it's foods that are vegan, non-vegan, it's there. They have dessert places. They have things like virtual flight stimulating type games. Or if you just want to walk and get your steps in, this is the place that you want to go when you are visiting Minnesota. And don't forget to check out Legoland.